Fibonacci numbers. Leonardo Fibonacci was a mathematician from the late 1100 ADs, and he published a book called Liber Abaci, I think, in about 1202. And it was a book of math problems, and here's the most famous problem from that book. A man puts one pair of rabbits in a certain place entirely surrounded by a wall. How many pairs of rabbits can be produced from that pair in 1 year if the nature of these rabbits is such that every month each pair bears a new pair from which the second month on becomes productive? So I'll show you kind of how you can get started on this problem. So in the first month we have the original pair, and I'm going to put Y to show that they're youth because they're not quite ready to produce yet. And in the next month they will be adult, and at this point they can produce, but so they're going to produce a pair and then they themselves will still be there. So in the next month we'll have the adults themselves, and then we'll have the pair of youths that they produce. So we can go on like this and fill in this table to see how many pairs of rabbits we have at the end of 1 year. So to finish off this problem, I would go ahead and put over here on the right the total pairs. So this month, January, I have 1 pair. February, I still have just the 1 pair of rabbits. March, I have 2 pairs. And then this adult pair is still going to produce they themselves plus a youth pair. This youth pair will go on to become adults. And at this point, that pair is going to be able to produce offspring. So for this month, they themselves continue on, and a pair of youths. This youth will become an adult in the next month. This adult will have themselves plus a youth. And so then we can see that in April we have 3 rabbits, and in May we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rabbits. So continuing on, I have this adult pair, they themselves plus a youth. This youth is going to become mature in the next month. This will give you an adult plus a youth pair. Same for this adult plus a youth pair, and this youth will become an adult. And then in this June we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of rabbits.